Hey amigos from Simply Foods! Today I'm gonna be cooking chicken cordon bleu. It's a dish from Switzerland. I've been cooking that for so long that I don't really remember how I learned it. I'm waiting for a couple of friends. They're coming with their adorable son. I just feel it's a perfect time to do that for them, and I hope you guys like this dish. First thing to do is to marinate the chicken. We're gonna be using salt and pepper, orange juice, olive oil, and sage. It is a simple step, but a marinade will guarantee the flavor and the tenderness of the chicken breast. I like to keep the chicken marinating for at least 30 minutes in the fridge. So now it's time to pound the chicken. As you can see, I couldn't find my meat tenderizer, and it turns out that a potato masher worked just as good. Cooking is the search for perfection, but sometimes improvising gives character to the meal. What makes chicken cordon bleu is the interaction between chicken, Swiss cheese, and ham. Now it's time to roll the chicken. It's an important step to keep everything in place. It can be tricky, but try to keep as tight as possible. After rolling it, it's important to chill it in the fridge for at least 30 minutes to maintain its shape. After removing it from the plastic, it's time to bread it. Here we're gonna be using wheat flour, eggs, and breadcrumbs. Here's my favorite part. Put the breaded chicken rolls in hot oil and let the magic begin. Make sure to cover all sides until golden. When the rolls are done, put them in the oven at the lowest possible temperature just to keep them warm while you make the sauce. The sauce is very simple. After you melt the butter, saute some garlic on it. After that, add the flour and mix it all together. Once it's uniform, add the milk and cook it for a couple minutes. Make sure to keep mixing it while cooking. Add the Gruyere and Parmesan cheese. These two cheeses make an interesting combination. One is creamy and the other salty. Now it's time for the Dijon mustard, which adds a layer of complexity to the sauce. Lastly, add salt and pepper to taste. Keep mixing it until it gets uniform and creamy.
The way I
like to serve this dish is to have the chicken slice and with the sauce on top. I like to garnish with chives to give a nice presentation. I've always enjoyed hosting lunches and dinners, and I've been doing this for a while. The whole purpose of Simply Food is to share these moments with more people and inspire you to do the same.